The coronavirus pandemic is spreading rapidly in India. The fear of catching the virus, combined with the growing realization that India's healthcare system isn't adequately equipped to handle surging infections, has left people looking desperately for a cure. This sense of fear and desperation has opened a door for business to make money by peddling miracle cures. Ramdev's Patanjali Ayurved Limited is one such business. On June 24th, Ramdev launched this cure for COVID-19 called Coronil. He claimed that 69% of the patients the drug was tested on recovered in 3 days and the rest in 7 days. Patanjali CEO Acharya Balakrishna had earlier this month claimed that a team of scientists had been working to develop a medicinal compound that could treat COVID-19. He claimed 100% favorable results in trial. Patanjali has said the research was undertaken by a joint team of Patanjali Research Institute and National Institute of Medical Science, Jaipur. The product has been manufactured by Divya Pharmacy of Patanjali. The Corona kit will be made available at just Rs 545, said Acharya Balakrishnan, CEO of Patanjali, adding that the kit is for 30 days. He further added that minerals have been used with herbs to make this medicine even more effective. Coronil is made of the extracts of pure giloy, tulsi and ashwagandha. Patanjali claimed that its coronavirus medicine kit can also be taken as prevention for coronavirus. However, this is not an immunity booster but a coronavirus cure, Ramdev said. Days after Patanjali Ayurved launched the Coronil medicine with the claim that it can be used for the treatment of COVID-19, a pandemic caused by the novel coronavirus, an FIR was filed in Jaipur against Yoga Guru Ramdev, Patanjali CEO Acharya Balakrishna and 4 others. The FIR alleges that Baba Ramdev was misleading people by propagating Patanjali Ayurved's drug Coronil as a cure for the infection. The launch of the drug Coronil by Ramdev on 24th June triggered a debate after which the Ayush Ministry sought all information on its trial and put a ban on advertising it as a drug to cure coronavirus. The FIR was filed in Jaipur against Ramdev for allegedly indulging in misleading propagation of Coronil as a medicine which could be used to treat the infection. The Ayush Ministry quickly issued a statement denying any knowledge of the drug and told Ramdev to stop publishing it as a cure for COVID-19. The ministry also directed Patanjali to immediately submit all its research, chemical compounds of the drug, details of its trials and the necessary permissions. Although the drug was launched on June 24th, Patanjali had been peddling it for a while, with the media lapping up its claim without questions. While Ramdev's Patanjali Ayurved has insisted that it broke no law, Rajasthan's health department has served a notice to NIMS hospital seeking an explanation on conducting trials of Patanjali's Ayurved's drug Coronil on coronavirus patients. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.